Build incrementally with fast integrated learning cycles. The whole idea here is if you need to develop a large system, start small and finish end to end that small piece, take a feedback, take the learning, then incrementally add more part to this small piece, again finish the whole cycle, take the feedback, and then this is how you incrementally increase your product. And that is something I believe is a generic agile way of working. When we work in agile, we work in an environment where we do believe that things will evolve over time. We may not have a complete understanding of requirement, technology, customer taste. We acquire that knowledge by building our product incrementally, because by building our product incrementally also gives us an opportunity to learn about our uncertainties incrementally. And when we learn about those uncertainties, we also learn on something concrete. Rather than asking people question based on some document, we show them something which is working, which is usable. And I believe that's the foundational understanding of agile way of working. In the Scaled Agile also, we have been kind of, with the help of principle number 4, it's a reminder that we should keep thinking incremental building even when we are working with a large teams and when we are working in a complex environment. Now, waterfallish or a traditional way of working, I believe many of you must be aware of it, might think in a big bang approach. We do the whole requirement analysis first, then we do the whole development, then we go for a test and deploy. Now, by doing it, the feedback, the overall feedback, end-to-end feedback get delayed. You may be taking feedback on requirement, even in a waterfallish way of working, but that requirement feedback is a partial one because the people who are giving you the feedback cannot see the whole integrated component or a part of your work, and they are making a lot of assumption when they are giving feedback to you. So agile way of working, and as well as the scaled agile way of working, is not to do this big bang thing, divide your work into small incremental value delivery rather than and doing it once and deliver those incremental value. By doing it, you are delivering value. At the same time, you are also learning and validating your assumption in the process. Now, this may look very generic in the agile world. What I want to mention about scaled agile and this particular principle is that when we are working in a safe environment, we may have a multiple teams operating with us. Yeah, multiple teams are involved in doing development. Now, in that particular context, many times the team may start thinking that we may need to focus on our part of the work only and may start delaying the integration with other teams. And if you do that, then again you are violating this principle. The incremental building is not only about building your piece incrementally, it is also about building the complete system incrementally. And you know from the previous principle that it's all about system thinking. So when we are applying system thinking in a safe environment, we also focus on continuously integrating our work with other teams, continuously taking feedback on the integrated system so that we learn about customer opinions, stakeholder ideas on that integrated view. And also we use this integrated system for our own technological exploration. When I am adding my part of small feature on top of this whole system, when I have an integrated system, I can visualize it and I can know about my assumptions in more concrete way rather than I keep assuming and carry the risk for the later stage. So overall, it's all about building things incrementally and taking the feedbacks on a continuous basis and not skipping any of the step. While you are doing development, you start from requirement, you reach till a customer deployment so that you have more and better feedback and learning for your product development.